Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states, two women were going along with their sons while a wolf came and carried away the son of one of them. One woman said to the other, the wolf has carried away your son. The other said, the wolf has taken away your son. They took their case to Hazrat David alayhi salam, and he whereupon issued decree in the favor of the older one. They then went to Hazrat Sulaiman bin Daud alayhi salam and told him the episode. Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam said, bring me a knife so as to cut the baby in two halves in order to give you. The younger one said, no, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu shower His mercy upon you. He is her son. Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam thereupon issued the decree in the favor of the younger lady. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, it was the day when I first time heard the word sikeen for a knife. We would call a knife mudya. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4470.